Hello everyone and welcome to Dr. Anum AI. I am Dr. Anum, a PhD scholar and computer science specialist. On this channel, we decode the complex world of artificial intelligence and explore how technology is reshaping our future. Let's dive into today's video. Introduction: The information overload. Have you ever felt the physical weight of information overload? The sensation that the reading material required to stay current is actively burying you? Take a look at this graph. The flat line across the bottom is human reading speed. It hasn't changed in millennia. The curve skyrocketing upwards is modern academic publishing volume. Tens of thousands of new papers are pushed out every single day. The structural failure of traditional search. This funnel diagram shows what happens when we try to process modern volume using traditional methods. Using standard Boolean searches, typing exact phrases into a database and hoping for a hit creates a massive bottleneck. The system jams. Speed reading courses won't fix a structural failure. You need an updated operating system for knowledge management. The solution: the automated pipeline. We are going to build an automated workflow. We'll track the pipeline from scanning massive global databases down to extracting hyper-specific insights from a single paragraph. Mastering the modern AI research stack provides the biological workaround needed to survive the modern digital library. Step 1: Macro Discovery with Elicit. Step 1 is discovery. When standing on the shore of millions of databases, researchers often lack the exact terminology required for a traditional search. Notice the split screen. On the left is standard keyword matching, a rigid link between identical words. On the right is semantic search. Semantic search identifies the conceptual meaning behind your query. It identifies the idea itself, regardless of the exact vocabulary the author used. To run this search across the academic world, we use a specialized tool called Elicit. Watch as this grid populates. Elicit automatically extracts specific, comparable data points from dozens of papers at once. As the document icons line up on the left, the columns fill with precise details like sample sizes and methodologies. This replaces the hours spent opening endless tabs, skimming long abstracts, and pasting numbers into spreadsheets. The AI executes that process in seconds. This macro-level extraction compresses the discovery phase into a momentary data retrieval task. Step 2: Meso connection with ResearchRabbit. Next, we move to the meso level. You need to see the academic landscape surrounding the papers you just discovered. Every academic paper sits within an unseen network, a web of historical citations and future references. This visual mapping engine, ResearchRabbit, starts with a central circle, our seed paper, branching out to form a citation web. Zooming into concentrated clusters reveals foundational authors. These pulsing nodes are researchers cited most heavily across the network. Seeing the landscape mapped out like this prevents you from missing a crucial study just because the author used different terminology in their title. Mapping these connections guarantees comprehensive awareness of a niche and eliminates citation dead ends. Step 3: Microsynthesis with NotebookLM. Now we face the micro-level challenge. You have a curated stack of foundational PDFs. The goal is to extract knowledge without hitting a cognitive wall. NotebookLM acts as an isolated second brain. It is a closed system that only knows the information inside the specific documents you upload. Take a look at this process flow. We feed 3 different papers into a central processing node and instruct the AI to cross-reference them. It outputs a side-by-side chart comparing their conflicting methodologies. This shifts your workflow from passive reading to active interrogation. You chat with your sources to extract exact insights. This targeted synthesis ensures you retain insights from the first paper while finishing the 10th. Conclusion: the research director. This final step generates novel, synthesized knowledge directly from your curated sources. The full pipeline moves from macro discovery in Elicit to meso connection mapping with ResearchRabbit, to microsynthesis in NotebookLM. You are now a research director managing a team of specialized AI agents. By adopting this pipeline, the barrier of information overload is neutralized. In this environment, the person who asks the best questions holds the advantage. Follow the links in the description to access these tools and build your own AI-powered research laboratory. I hope you found this video insightful. If you are passionate about AI, healthcare technology, and professional research, make sure to subscribe to Dr. Anum AI and hit the bell icon for more expert insights. Feel free to drop your questions in the comments below. See you in the next one. Stay curious.